Hello, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's cooking in Zahara's kitchen today? As you can see from the title, we are making peri peri chicken. Can I hear a yay for that? Okay, that was a little bit awkward. Man sida ujeedin waxaan nii tusayaa sida loo sameeyo chickenka loo yaqaano peri peri, and just carry on watching to see how I make this. So we're going to start with 3 chicken legs. As you can see, my chicken is skinless. I've removed the skin from the chicken because I just don't like the skin of a chicken. And it's if you want your skin, that's absolutely fine. As you can see, I'm slicing the chicken and making slits to make sure that the spices are in every single slit, and just to have an evenly cooked chicken that's very tender and flavorful. chicken ka استعماله waa chicken ka lugahiisa. Chicken ka nooca aad استعمالي kartaa chicken wings, any type. And then now I'm going to show you guys how I blend all the spices to make a paste for the chicken marinade. So as you can see, I'm going to add in a bunch of coriander, 3 garlic cloves, a quarter of bell pepper, and half an onion. وحاستعمال ثوم أو بربروني نص بصل كبسر علين iyo 3 xabo toon ah. toonta ku darsan kartaa. And then inta la isku shiidaya waxaa kaloo ku daraya rubac koob oo saliid ah, waa 4 qaando saliid camal. So we using a quarter cup of oil or 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use less oil if you want. And then I'm adding 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. 3 qaando oo liin dhanaan ah ayaa miiray oo lagu daraya. What the lemon does is the chicken becomes tender. And then I'm going to add in peri peri seasoning. Peri peri is important. هذا هي سنين peri peri حواجيسة. حقولت الله إنها سوق دتت هذا كل وين ملو قضا وحستعمله كرتا بس is fine. And then I've added 1 tablespoon of lemon and herbs. That's optional, you don't have to. And then I've added 1 tablespoon of paprika and some turmeric. And then we're just gonna start blending. marka intaas ayaa la isku shiidaya. xawaajiga marka isku dartid waxyo dhan biyo ma ku dareysid, kaliya ayaa shiidaysa. And I just wanted to remind you guys I forgot to add in salt. Yes, I am a little bit too clumsy, but don't forget to add salt. So عزبان كيلو إنها كشوبة هايلوبين قذالة لكن كحسوستيا قدري. So make sure you add in 1 tablespoon of salt, or just add it to your taste, maybe more, maybe less. Absolutely fine. You can add in chicken stock, but I would not recommend because we're making peri peri chicken. Okay. Now we're just gonna blend that to ensure that everything is smoothly blended. And then now it's time to marinate our chicken. Look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful color. And oh my god, it smells so amazing. aad ayuu carfay marka isku shiid waxaan oo dhan. kadib saan ku noqdo waxa u diyaar garoobeysaa inaad chicken kala mariyo. kadib chickenkii oo dhan si fiican u mari. So make sure you evenly coat the chicken. As you can see, I am adding everything to the chicken. And usually, guys, when I am making chickens, any type of chicken actually, I usually use the same pan. So I just put the spice on the pan, and just to make sure that my spice doesn't go anywhere else. Like some people put it in a bowl and then put the spices in there and just rub everything and then transfer that to the pan. But with me, I don't do that. I'm just quite stingy with the paste not being wasted. So that جيتين أو حندهاي ويلك أنا كدوبها chicken كأيان حواجياش يورن كشوبا باخلي مكشوبي أما ويلك لكو مشوبي chicken كمامري كدي بعدين chicken كمكشوبي ماشى كدوبي لهاي marka waka marka hadda foornada sii daaro. chickenka 2 saacadood usug inuu chickenka xabaajiga si fiican hilibka uu galo oo chickenki u jilco. ama hadaada fudud yar kugu jiro waxa gali kartaa foornada, ama habeenkii qasi kartaa sida maalinta kale u dubatid. haddana foornada sii daaro 10 daqiiqo ka hor inta chickenka wax aad marinin inay ku sii kulaato. kadib 40 daqiiqo ayaa dubaysaa chickenka. As you can see, it's beautifully baked for 40 minutes. My oven was preheated, and Make sure that your oven is around 180 to 200 degrees, and you will end up with this beautifully cooked tender chicken. Literally, Nando's got nothing on you. And yeah, so you can just have it with whatever you like, to be honest. I usually like having my chicken with chips. I know, very classic. You can have it with rice. I love it with rice. You can have it with chapati. You can have it with pasta. It completely depends on you. Marka waka. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you want the recipe, it's in the link in the description down below. See you soon. Bye bye.